Hello everyone, my name is James. Today I will present my project on mechanical learning based fault detection in electrical motor bearings using the well-known CWRU bearing datasets. The goal of this project is to build a complete end-to-end diagnosis pipeline from raw variable signals to reliable fault classification. That's CWR datasets contains real vibration measurements collected from electrical motors under different operation conditions. And there are four motor speeds for different RPMs. These signals provide rich information about mechanical behavior and are widely used as a benchmark for predictive maintenance research. And so we jump to the segmentation part. So we do the segmentation because the raw variable signals are extremely long. So we like to cut them in the fixed length segments of more than 2,000 samples that to make sure that each segment presents a short relative stationary position of the signals and serve as a one training example. So for the feature engineering what we do is that we do two parts. That one is the time domain features, and we cut them like to ratio data for the uh, key feature data like the mean, standard deviation, RMS, and other key important kind of data sets. And the frequency domains also we treat them like using the fast Fourier transform, and I compute spectral energy and peak rated features, and we finally that just combine them to the time domain and the frequency domain into one combined feature, that the combined vector feature that used for training the different type of models. To compare with different models, that we use the three classical mechanical learning classifications. That one is the supported vector machine, and the second is the random forest and the multi-layer perception. So all models are training use the same features and evaluated with the micro average F1 score, that which ensure fair treatment of each classes. So the SMV and random forest all often perform extremely well on structured, uh, and this project just confirmed the trend. Our results shows that the SMV that which do the best have got the best micro F1 figures, that which all the other two kind of um, models also that got a very good score, that they are basically almost the same. So that shows that uh, the combination of the segmentation and time features that and the FFT feature is highly effective for bearing fault diagnosis. We used another part that for the cross-arc classification, that this baseline test is usually easier and more stable, that which provide a very good evidence for the trend we analyzed it. So just slightly different here. The SMV also got a very good score, but the highest score for this verification is the random forest, but almost the same as we previously got. So we use many figures and the detection models. And finally, we do the feature importance, that we use the FFT to distinguish which and the random forest FFT combined with the random forest to distinguish which, I mean, the part of the frequency is very much more related to the different type of fault. So in conclusion, that I built a complete machine learning pipeline for bearing fault diagnosis, and the approach integrates segmentations, time domain, and frequency domain feature extraction, and the classical ML models, especially SMV, that achieve extremely high accuracy and robust performance across all RPM conditions. So this workflow demonstrates that the traditional mechanical learning combined with well-designed features that can provide strong predictive maintenance capability for rotating machinery. So thank